Hey guys, so I'm here in Durban. Right now we're in Belito. We just came to like look for stuff for the house. I'm not really finding what I like love, but I am finding a few things. So I found things for the guest bathroom because no pressure, right? Yeah, so we're just waiting to collect now, and then I think I want to check out two more places, and then we'll probably go back to the house.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh. Okay, so we're here at South Africa. I don't know, I keep coming to the store, but anyway, we're here at South Africa, and I really like this combo. Please don't judge my nails. I really like this combo of chrome and black, especially because the tap that we got, not the tap, the basin that we got from Eurotrend is white with like a chrome finish over it. So I'm very into chrome right now. But the only problem with this is that I don't like this tab that it comes with. I prefer this shape. So now I'm trying to see if these and those would go nicely together. There's also this one, the chrome with the black. Focus. Okay, the lighting is weird in here. Okay, anyway, I also like this one. Yeah.
This is how it is. Uzothola black, umpopang is right.
Yeah, I'm putting black
Uzofika
on.
kanje. Now black, you know.
Okay.
But this silver,
Yeah.
clear, we dye separately.
Oh.
But we have to now to keep around replace and put the silver on top.
So ngizokwazi ukuthenga
Lena.
lena.
Yes. On its own with this.
Okay. We're here. We back. I really like how the ceiling is looking. Holy Elias. I am obsessed with how big this passage is. Bedroom number 1. The toilet is here, and the showers are right here. And we can put this mirror thing over here. Okay guys, we're at the house now. I don't know how many times we got interrupted, but it looks really nice. I don't know, I like it, like, I really like it. I wish this was like wish this was where we lived, actually, but here, let's see. Okay, this light for some reason has good lighting. This room. Yeah, I must make this my bedroom. Could have gotten a bigger mirror. Not mirror, window. Time to go back home. Hey guys, so I'm here at the KZN house. Why did I say house? It's a home. Ugh, I love these mirrors so much. But anyway, not mirrors, the windows. Yeah, it's hot. But yeah, so anyway, it's been a few weeks later since the last clip that I put in. Back here, we're just here with the tiler. We're here with the guys who are gonna be installing the kitchen, and the electrician is also here. So we're just gonna go through how things should be. As I was saying, we're just gonna go over everything, see how we want the tiles to be laid out, check out our spacings, making sure that we're using the tiles correctly. I think Lena, on. If it's supposed to be ncane bengizohamba nalena, but yeah. Okay, ngicela la sifabeke a skills, ngicela sifabeke passage. Okay, so these tiles, I have put them aside because it's what I want to put in the guest toilet. Then I thought of doing this one for the shower, or maybe that one, but I'm not sure if I'll have enough. Originally, I was supposed to do the black darker tile with the black tile, obviously, but I kind of like the combo of what I have going on over here. I was meant to take this green one and then match it with the gray one and then play around with that for the other bathrooms in the other rooms. And then for the main house, we're going with this one. Yeah, my mom loved it. I also really love it. It's very subtle, but it's got a very nice look to it. That other one that I just pointed at, that is for the kitchen backsplash. And then this one is for the main bathroom. So if Lamel is fucking nama lights and plugs.
I will just check this pose whether it's in that place.
Bese ufaka nivele la.
Let me check.
Oh. I know, I think sinafaka layer stove be la. Okay guys, so we are here in the garage space. It's massive. Anyway, I just wanted a space where I could like talk to you guys nicely. So let me turn the camera over. So yeah, it is so hot. Like I forget how hot KZN is, Richards Bay is, until you get here. Cause you're just like, yeah, it's hot, and then you're here. But reason I'm in here because I actually wanted to check out the space because we want to do closets like right at the back, and I wanted to forgot my measuring tape. So I wanted to see what the space is over here. And also, when I left, they went and added new lines, new water lines over here. So maybe I can just run you guys through what I'm thinking. Yeah. So over there, I think that's gonna be where the washing machine is gonna be. And then over here, we're gonna have a sink with some taps. So I feel like, and then we have a plug there and a plug over there. That plug is a little bit too high for a washing machine. Because ideally, you just want to plug your machine, like, unless maybe we put the machine somewhere in the middle and then we'd have to just get like an extension or something. Okay. Designing a big house is hard. They are also busy doing the septic tank right now. So we're gonna have one over here and then one on the outside as well. But let me just run you guys through this house again. I'm really obsessed with this house, and I'm actually thinking of painting the house white. I don't know if it's because it's so big. It might feel like it's a bit I don't know, maybe it might feel like it's too much whiteness, like it's too bland, but yeah, we'll see. So this is what will be, I suppose, the maid's quarters. It's the same layout as the guest bedroom that's inside the house. So this is where the toilets and stuff will be. We're gonna do closets over here. Let me just step out. So yeah, we're gonna do closets this side, and then yeah, we'll see where the bedroom will be, or the bed. And then we walk in over here, and then down here I'll insert a picture of this house. We're gonna do like a little pattern design there that just says like, hey, you look here now. This is gonna be where the lounge is gonna be, and then it's gonna be like a little dining, not little, but the dining space is gonna be over here. Then this is where the kitchen is going to be. So the guys installing, as I said earlier, they were here and they just marked for us where some of the plugs need to move to. So yeah, all the plugs in here need to be shifted or lowered. We have a line over here that needs to move into this side, and then we're also gonna have a space on this side as well. And then this is like gonna be my favorite space, I think. Just need to find a creative way of covering this, and my mom low-key wants the whole space covered, which I can't, but anyway, we'll see. So this is where you're gonna have like a bright entertainment area. I am obsessed with these windows. I think they're so pretty. And then you come into the space over here. That is the other guest bedroom, but like I said, it's pretty much the same thing. This is gonna be a really big lounge. And then this is like the extra wide passage. This is the guest toilet, bedroom number 1. Let's go into bedroom number 2. Oh wait, bedroom number 3 I think had the best lighting. So this is bedroom number 2. This is where we're gonna have our toilets. I don't think the lighting in here is the best. Like I said in the other video, well, not even the other video, in the other clip, I should have designed for a bigger toilet. Things, when you're not here, I wish this was in the middle, but I suppose we couldn't be, otherwise it would have been too close to the wall. Because having that there is like a little bit awkward, but anyway. And then we come into bedroom number 4, which is pretty much the same thing. I low-key like this bedroom. Which one did I say I like again? I need to go back to my clips. And then, no, this is bedroom number 4, that's bedroom number 3. So this is bedroom number 4, which will be for the eldest daughter. She's also married. I don't know why I designed it like this, as if the rest of us aren't gonna get married. But anyway. They have a very spacious room compared to the other 3 bedrooms. I should have just made them all the same, but that's what it is. And then this is gonna be the main bedroom. That is so big, love it. And then in there is gonna be the bathroom, and there is gonna be the walk-in closet. And this one actually also has a bit of nice lighting. And then you come out into the patio space over here. It's so hot. And then that's where they're putting the other septic tank. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Probably, definitely, shades on. Yeah, anyway, that's the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough of the house. I'm very excited about this project. I keep second guessing everything I'm doing because, you know, I don't have like a set client. A lot has just been like, yeah, just do you. So I don't know, my styles can be very different to my family's, but yeah, I hope, well, I'll get most of it right. I think you can never be like 100% sure unless you play it like really, really safe and just copy paste something that you already love and not really try to be creative. So you guys might look at some of my tile selections and be like, I don't know, girl. But yeah, anyway, bye.